Hi, this is Manoj, Data Science Team, employee code E24737. Automation of WordPress post publication using Tables is the title of this project. And this is the second presentation I'm presenting. Overview of this presentation is automating the collection and analysis of user feedback using predicting models to maximize audience engagement, streamlining the workflow for content and categorization and publications. Objective of the work is sentiment analysis, taxonomy development, key performance indicators identification, training NLP models, fine-tune pre-trained language models, user engagement prediction model, and topic modeling algorithm for categorizations. Task details. This is the task I have assigned for the past week. So that dashboard is to conduct sentiment analysis on user comments and feedback so that we can get a clear idea of what we are doing wrong on the based on the customer feedbacks. Task 2 is to develop a taxonomy for categorizing content topics, uh, which involves organizing content into a structured and logical system, identifying key performance indicator for content success. This will help us measure impact, efficiency, and overall quality of the automation process for our content strategy. Task 4 is to train NLP models for content analysis, which includes data collection, model selection, and training and deployment. Task 5 is fine-tune pre-trained language model for specific content domains. Fine-tuning means it enhances the ability to generate relevant, high-quality content for applications like automatic WordPress post publications. Task 6 is to develop a model for predicting user engagement, which maximizes audience reach and ensures consistent content performances. Task 7 is to implement a topic model algorithm to categorize content, which is uses LDA to categorize content and automates the public process via WordPress REST APIs. So the accomplishments are reflect the successful automation of WordPress content process, enhance the content relevance, user engagement strategies, and the establishment of structured content categorizations. Challenges faced the collecting high quality and diverse data for sentiment analysis and training NLP models can be difficult. By building a continuous data pipeline for collecting user comment and feedback, we can that build a solution for that. Next steps is to add more features to the WordPress plugins such as real-time feedback for content creators suggesting edits to avoid flags and based on the feedback and performance analytics make necessary adjustment to fine-tuning the process. So the overall conclusion is the NLP and machine learning models have a very big take on this, and key accomplishments included that implementation of sentiment analysis, fine-tuning language models for content generations, and predicting user engagement. As per the project moves forward, the focus will shift towards enhancing the personalization of content and improving model performance through continuous retraining and scaling the automation to manage larger volumes of this content. Thanks for this opportunity.